Speak of the devil. This idiom means exactly when a person appears right at the moment someone mentions their name. Imagine talking about a friend, and suddenly that friend walks in. It is a funny coincidence expression used in everyday English conversations. The core meaning is simple. When someone you talk about suddenly shows up exactly when their name comes up in conversation. It happens right at that moment. This creates a surprising and amusing situation everyone recognizes. This comes from Speak of the Devil and He Shall Appear. In medieval times, people believed saying the devil's name could make him appear. That was scary superstition. Today it means just a funny coincidence, not anything supernatural. Listen to this common example. One person says, "We were just talking about you." The other responds, "Speak of the devil, here you are." Notice how it follows immediately after mentioning the person. The timing makes it perfect. Here is a real everyday situation. Person A says, "I have not seen Sarah in ages." Person B says, "Speak of the devil, she just texted me." This shows modern usage with phones and messages. Same surprise principle applies. Always use this lighthearted and friendly, never negative. It works with variations like "talk of the devil" or "here he is." Perfect for casual conversations when coincidences happen naturally.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.